Hey, this is Nitesh again. I'm back to guide you through another game-changing strategy. Today, we're unlocking the ultimate e-commerce hack, bulk product photography. If you want to make your products stand out, drive more sales, and build a strong brand identity, this is the video for you. Now let's dive into the power of bulk product photography and how it can take your e-commerce business to the next level. First, let's talk about why high-quality images matter and how they can boost your brand's credibility, increase conversions, and improve SEO rankings. Let's get started. Did you know that 93% of consumers make purchasing decisions based on visual content? That's why bulk product photography is your secret weapon in the e-commerce game. In this video, I'll reveal 9 powerful techniques to make your product photos stand out, boost engagement, and drive more sales. First impressions matter. Crisp, well-lit images don't just attract buyers, they build trust and make your brand look professional. To capture stunning images, invest in a DSLR or mirrorless camera with a versatile lens like a 50mm or macro lens. Lighting is key. Use softbox lights, ring lights, or a light tent for even shadow-free illumination. And don't forget a sturdy tripod to keep your shots consistent. Mastering lighting can take your product photography to the next level. Use diffused natural light near a window or a softbox for a clean, professional look. Want a creative touch? Try backlighting to create depth, especially for glass or transparent products. Make your product display visually appealing. Arrange items at different heights. Group them in odd numbers and use neutral backgrounds to make colors pop. A well-styled setup draws the viewer in and creates a sense of abundance. Props can tell a story and boost relatability. Imagine showcasing handmade soaps with fresh herbs and wooden trays. It instantly adds a luxurious, organic feel. Props help connect customers with your products, making them more desirable. For sharp, professional-looking images, set your aperture between f8 and f11 to keep everything in focus. Maintain consistent settings across all shots for a cohesive brand aesthetic. Now let's talk about styling, because presentation matters. Use different heights levels. Arrange products at different heights for a dynamic look. Group items in odd numbers. Sets of 3 or 5 create a natural, visually appealing flow. Choose backgrounds wisely. A white or neutral background is great for clarity, while textured backgrounds add depth. Tell a story. Whether it's seasonal decor, lifestyle props, or themed setups, your images should evoke an emotion. Remember, your goal is to make the customer visualize your product in their life. This is how you increase engagement and conversions. 6 camera settings for optimal bulk photography. Now let's fine-tune your camera settings for perfect shots every time. Aperture f8, f11 keeps more of your product in focus for sharp details. ISO 100, 200 avoids grainy, noisy images. Shutter speed 100, 1200 sec prevents motion blur for crisp, clear shots. White balance adjust based on your lighting setup to keep colors accurate. By keeping consistent camera settings, your images will have a professional, polished look across your store. Maintaining a consistent angle and framing across your product catalog helps create a professional, cohesive brand identity. Choose a primary angle, front-facing, top-down, or 45-degree angle. Use the same framing for all shots. Keep spacing and composition uniform. Stick to a specific aspect ratio. Most e-commerce platforms use square, 1.1 or 4.5 ratios. Consistency makes your store look polished and trustworthy. Customers love interactive visuals. 360-degree product images or GIFs show multiple angles in one frame, reducing doubts and increasing conversions. Use a rotating turntable, capture all sides of your product. Convert images into GIFs, help showcase product functionality. Upload to e-commerce platforms. Many sites support zoomable 360-degree images. Adding interactive elements boosts engagement and customer confidence. Even with great photography, editing is essential to enhance quality and create a uniform look. Use tools like Photoshop, Lightroom, or Canva adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness, and sheer color accuracy. Products should look the same as in real life. Remove background clutter for a clean, professional finish. Consistently edited images make your store look high-end and polished. Band batch shooting, organization for efficiency, shooting bulk products. Save time with batch photography. Plan your shots in advance. Create a shot list. Use a checklist. Ensure all angles and styles are captured. Organize files by product type. Makes editing and uploading easier. A structured workflow speeds up the process while keeping images high quality and consistent. Customers often wonder, how big is this product? Show scale in your images to set expectations. And use everyday objects, coins, hands, books for reference. Include dimension graphics in one of the images. Show the product in real-life settings, e.g., a laptop sleeve with a laptop inside. This reduces return rates by ensuring buyers know exactly what to expect. If your product comes in different colors or styles, shoot them together. Group similar items to highlight variety. Use consistent lighting and angles for uniformity. Create comparison shots so customers can pick their favorite. Displaying all variations makes it easier for buyers to choose and reduces hesitation. Studio shots are great, but lifestyle photography helps customers connect with your product. Show products in action. A smartwatch on a wrist, a coffee mug in a cozy setup. Use models or hands, brings a human touch. For a clean and professional look, use a light box to eliminate shadows and highlight details. Perfect for jewelry, cosmetics, electronics, and small products. Ensures even lighting and consistent backgrounds. Affordable and easy to set up. A light box helps maintain a consistent, high-quality brand image. 18 shoot from multiple angles to show details. Customers want to see every aspect of a product before purchasing. Front, back, top, side, and bottom views cover all angles. Close-up shots highlight textures, buttons, zippers, and small details. Action shots show how the product is used in real life. The more comprehensive your product images, the higher the trust and conversions. Instead of just plain studio shots, try showing your products in real-life settings. Home setting. Great for furniture, decor, and lifestyle items. Outdoor setting. Works well for adventure gear, clothing, or food products. Unboxing shots highlight the packaging experience to excite buyers. This adds relatability and helps customers imagine owning the product. For products that solve problems, skincare, cleaning tools, weight loss supplements, comparison shots work wonders. Before, the problem, e.g., dirty surface, damaged hair. After, the solution, e.g., clean surface, smooth hair. Side-by-side shots with labels to clearly show the transformation. These images create an instant emotional connection and increase buying urgency. 21 use colored lighting for creative effects. Want to add a unique aesthetic? Try colored lighting gels for creative backgrounds. Blue-purple lights work well for tech products. Warm golden lights enhance natural products like skincare or wooden accessories.
And there you have it. 9 powerful tips to master bulk product photography and take your e-commerce game to the next level.
By applying these strategies, you can create high-quality, engaging, and conversion-boosting images that make your products stand out in a crowded market. Remember, great product photography isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building trust, credibility, and emotional connections with your customers. The more effort you put into your visuals, the better your chances of turning casual browsers into loyal buyers. So, grab your camera, experiment with different techniques, and start capturing stunning product shots that elevate your brand.
Best wishes for your photography journey. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pro tips.
See you in the next one.